Awukwazi ke ukuzazi ubungubani xa ungahlalanga kumoya oyingcwele. Lento ke edabana ifune uhlale is there on John chapter 15 apho kuthethwa about the true vine. You cannot be able to bear fruit, you cannot be able to give life to the next person if you are not rooted on the source of life. Christ in us, that hope of glory, He is the source of that life. If we are rooted in the Word and we are rooted in the Holy Spirit, umoya oyingcwele uhlala kuwe, andithi 1 Corinthians 6:19, you are the temple of the Holy Spirit. You are containing umoya oyingcwele olapha kuwe, who is going to guide you and teach you on how to do intando kabawo. Asikwazi thina ukuyenza intando kabawo. We are not able to do anything on our own, but we depend on the Holy Spirit that we were entrusted